Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Wi-Fi with your Cox router and configure your wireless network, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Connect your Cox modem to the cable outlet using the coaxial cable included in your installation kit. If you have a separate router, connect it to the modem via Ethernet. Step 2. Plug in the power adapter to your modem and electrical outlet. If using a separate router, power it on after the modem is fully online. Step 3. Wait approximately 10 minutes for the modem and router to complete their initialization process. Check that indicator lights show stable connection status. Step 4. Locate the default Wi-Fi network name and password. For Cox Panoramic Wi-Fi Gateway, these are printed on a label on the bottom of the device. Step 5, connect your computer or mobile device to the Wi-Fi network using the default credentials or connect via Ethernet cable for initial configuration. Step 6, open a web browser and navigate to the Cox router admin page, typically at 192.168.0.1 or the address shown in your setup documentation. Step 7, log in with the default admin username and password found on the router label or in the setup guide. Navigate to wireless settings. Step 8, customize your Wi-Fi network name and create a strong, secure password. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Save changes and reconnect all devices with new credentials. Optimize router placement and test connection throughout your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.